Hello guys, today back on my mobile, but there's something I really like. Make this tall tower, then a piston. When you get up, delete that because you don't need it. It's kind of expensive, but you don't need a lot of gold. I need to find something. Oh yeah, let's see. Place one on your head. Break another one. Do right either. Place these things here. This is where the form starts. Yeah. First, the poster. Let's see. Next, make it big. But you need this turned off. Both of them turned off. Because you need both of them turned off to do it. Do not press this button. You can save it delete. And also, it costs 4 pistons. And how many pistons? Get 1. That means you need a lot of gold. But you're really fancy. But this is the design. I actually lied about 4 pistons. It's actually 6. Let's see. It goes. Let's see. See? Guys?
Ay, dito pala yung alaga ko eh. Bala ko, may krimen ka na naman ginawa eh. Nervous ako pag may naghahanap sa akin.
Let's see. Next, do this. Press the button. And why is he 6? Because this.
Okay lang, hindi naman si Mami daw ang maharap, ikaw daw.
No.
Hindi ako nag-guidance na, wala akong experience na. Yun nga eh, parang mag-experience.
Ako nga, walang guidance. Sinasanay na ako eh. Kaya no.
Now press both pistons. Yes.
Si Ma'am naka-guidance.
This is the part. Look, see, it makes it taller. You can go for another 400 gold for this.
Wala pa kami ng pero.
Wala pa. Maliit ko lang si Makabnormal. Maloko na pala. Buti nga ito, mabait sa school. Yan, hindi mabait sa school.
Now look. See? Do this.
Nag-live na yung pipin dati nila.
Sino na siya din?
Then, nagpapaya.
Now look. It's the Typhoon Raptor. And this is the Mecha Spider from Spider. Okay. You cannot do it.
Batiin na tayo.
Hindi, ang nanood.
Pati na tayo.
There's also another way. You can actually do this completely free.
Ganun tayo, sabay tayo. Ganun tayo. Mamaya gabi na. Bakit gabi na yan? Kasi magkasila. Hindi ko makabili. Wala na mamaya gabi. Cellphone ka na muna tsaka po. Hingitay ko si Sprout. Wow! Read ka lang dyan ha. Ano ka lang
here, boom.
Diyan ka lang ha. Pag lobat, bigay mo sa akin yung pipon ko ha. Huwag mong wawalain yung pipon ko ha. Ha? Ha?
Boom.
Tom, pag lobat, bigay mo sa akin yung pipon ko ha.
Which is this one is check up. The check mark is always off. To about right. Why was that completed? Oh wait, guys. Something is made. So wrong. The sticky block is pretty strong, so might as well getting it further.
Sa mga toyo, kung may ganito ka rin pa ba?
You can
Palabas or palagay sa chiller. Ayun. Ano yun? Palabas o palagay sa chiller. Alin? Ano be? Sabi niya, palabas o palagay sa chiller. Ang alin be? Ano ba talaga gagawin natin? Lalabas o ilalagay? Ate be? Ate mo. Ano ba yun?
the big one gets stuck sometimes, but it can also be
Magulo ka mo yung PM ni Mami. Hindi alam kung ilalabas o ipapasok.
Labas mo daw lahat kasi pasok mo ulit.
see.
Ginawa ko na nga yung gamot itong doon, baka magagaling. Ito na be, basahin mo nga, may PPM yata.
Oh,
Gamit pa na natin na infant creamer, no? Ito lang.
I mean, we delete everything. The big one can work on what? Goodbye. Goodbye. Make a like and subscribe.